Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be decorating my room for Christmas with Darian. Most of you guys probably know who he is by now, and I don't need to explain in every video that he's in. But behind me I have a little box full of some decorations for Christmas, and I went on a little shopping spree last year when I did like Vlogmas and everything. I'll link that vlog down below if you're interested, when I bought these decorations, but I honestly forget what decorations I bought, so I know it's not like a whole bunch. It's just kind of like little things here and there to add to my room to make it look cute for the holiday season. Also, I'm going to be showing you guys a little bit of my house because we decorate pretty nice for Christmas as well, like my living room, dining room, and stuff like that. It's not going to be like a full house tour because we don't decorate every single room of our house. I'm just going to be showing you like the rooms that have decor in them, but if you guys do want like a full house tour once we take the Christmas decor down and stuff, I could definitely do that for you guys. I've seen a couple of those recommendations here and there, so maybe that'll be a future video. I don't know, let me know down below. I'm gonna do this video kind of like vlog style, and if you guys want to see my regular room tour, like what it looks like all year round, basically what it is right now before we set up for Christmas and stuff, I will leave that video linked down below. Also, if you guys hear like noises, our Christmas decor from outside, we decorate outside too. We have like these little snowflakes hanging in front of me and my sister's window, and they're like kind of banging on the window because it's really windy out right now. But yeah, that's that noise. So this is the box. It's been sitting downstairs and I forgot I had it until when we were setting up the living room's decoration stuff that my sister brought it up. So yeah, I have this Christmas decoration and I think like one other thing in this room right now that I bought this year that's new. But yeah, so that's not something I bought last year. Everything in the box, and also this little light up tree is. I even remember how I set this stuff up. Okay, yeah. So I have this little like mirror glass tree. I know I put that by my plaque, like I'm pretty sure right there. For those of you who don't know, I love silver, so all the silver decor I love. I didn't really think it out when I bought this because I already have one, but this one is just gonna have to go somewhere else, I guess. But I have this 5-pack of snowflakes, and they basically just hang by this little loop here, and they're all individually. They're not on like a rope or tied together or anything. And I last year hung these on my curtain rod, so they looked something like that. Like, hold it up. Yeah, and they went like
all the way across.
Yeah, and there's only 5, so I mean it's not like we have to put a bunch on. And I remember taking off the curtains, but like...
Oh, you took the curtains off?
Yeah, but like how would I put the curtains back on because the snowflakes would just slide. So maybe I kept the curtains open 24/7, and then I just like had them hanging in the middle. Like, I think that's how I had it.
Okay.
So I'm gonna have Darian doing that, putting these little snowflakes on the curtain rod over there. I also have a candle, which I swap out for this white one that I use all year round that's like fresh cotton, for this gray one that is Winter Wonderland. Over here on top of my Alex 9 drawers, I'm thinking of taking away the Dose of Roses bear just for the sake of Christmas. It's not really Christmassy, it's a bear. I thought this broke. So this is the box of decor that I'm temporarily putting away just for the sake of it. Probably has been replaced with another Christmas decor, or it just doesn't look good out in the season of Christmas. Like this candle, white got replaced with like a darker gray one. And also this bear goes in this box too, but it doesn't really fit, so we'll just keep it like that. And this is the last decoration left, and I have no clue where I could put this. Over there I already have a deer. Over here is another deer. And over there is already taken, so I think I'm just gonna maybe find somewhere downstairs to put this. It's really cute, it just doesn't really fit anywhere in my room. We finished up setting up all the little like decorations around the room here and there. Now I'm gonna sit you guys down, and I'm gonna actually flip my comforter because it's reversible, so the other side is just a plain white, and I feel like that'll just look nicer, and I've been wanting to do that anyways, so we're gonna do that. I'm just gonna be lightly dusting all of the tabletops of my dressers and stuff. I already recently, like literally I think like 2 days ago, wiped them down and deep cleaned them for my room tour video that I filmed. So they're not like too messy, it's just like to get off the excess dust from the top layer. I'm also gonna quickly spray some Christmas scent around my room just to smell nice and fresh. So here from my room is the railing. We have that wrapped around with the stockings on it. My dad, my mom, my sister, and me. That's the order it's in. Left of the fireplace is the dining room. And then going downstairs, there's also another tree. This one's kind of just like a miniature one for decoration. But all of our presents are actually going to go under there for Christmas morning. But for now, they're just kind of sitting down here. And then that garland on the railing also comes down below this TV, which I like as well. I'm now going to show you guys the outside decorations. Every year my dad usually always likes to go all out in decorations. He always has since I was little, and I remember one year we actually got like an award for being the best decorated house in the neighborhood or the community. So last year was actually the first year that he wasn't able to do it. He was diagnosed with pancreatic cancer, which some of you might be aware of. But yeah, for those of you asking, he is now fine and cancer-free. I see comments here and there on my lives asking about him, and it means a lot that you guys care, so thank you so much. And yeah, I just really love how he decorated the outside, and I definitely want to give some recognition to him, and he was able to do it this year. Which is a big thing. So yeah, we used to have a lot more blow-ups, but as the years have gone, they kind of like die off. They don't last forever, so we haven't been replacing them. So there used to be like a lot more decorations, but it still looks really, really nice. Also, it's gonna be dark, so I am filming on my phone, which is gonna be better quality than my camera, but it is still really dark outside. So he set all of this up in like the style of an airport. So here's like a plane taking off of a runway, which is what these lights resemble. I thought that was like really smart and creative. And then here's that other plane blow up about to go down the runway. The wind is blowing really bad right now, and also it rains, so there's lots of weight on this blow up. But this is a rocket ship with Santa at the top. There's like this slide that has Santa at the top, a penguin going down. There's also like a cute little reindeer with presents back there, and a random beaver. This is kind of like separated from the airport. It has nothing to do with it. So that was it for this video of me decorating my room and also showing you guys my house decor as well. If you guys liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and also comment down below if you guys would like to see a full house tour. I would obviously film that though when Christmas decorations aren't up, just because that's a video that's going to be up all year round for you guys to look at, and obviously I don't have my Christmas decorations up all year round. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to turn on all of my post notifications so you get a notification in your Dropbox every time I upload a video. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much, and bye guys.